it's not all the relationships works. You understand it? Especially when a man he is using you and dump you. You understand it? You have to accept it sometimes because you didn't know that person is going to dump you. Especially guys, those people who doesn't talk too much. You understand it? You are saying this man he is humble, he is quiet. They are hiding many things in their hearts, and those people who are quiet, especially who are quiet in relationship, those people they are very, guys, they are very evil most of the times. A person who is quiet, guys, especially who is quiet, you are saying this man doesn't talk too much. Those people they are hiding many evil things. You understand it? And those people are players, guys. A man, you can show that person, this I like this man, but you are fall in love with him. After using you, he can dump you. You understand? He can dump you like a tissue or like a toilet paper in the toilet. You have to accept it sometimes because you can't, guys. You can show a person outside, but you don't know inside of him. You understand? You don't know if inside, you know outside of a person. Because guys, most of the times you didn't expect that person can treat you in that way. You understand? You didn't expect that, but you have to. So guys, when you saw the true colors of a man, after maybe you have got pleasure with him, after using you, he can show that you does it. Guys, most of the people who are quiet are very dangerous most of the times, because you can show that person, this man he is humble, and those who are humble, guys, they are very rough most of the times. They are very evil because they are hiding many things. You understand? Because guys, most of the times when that a man using you and dump you, you have to accept it sometimes, because he teaches you. You learned a lesson now. You have to learn a lesson. You understand? Because a man can pretend like he likes you before he sleep with you. He can pretend like he likes you. After using you, hey, you can show his true colors. You understand? And he is now avoiding you. He doesn't want to talk to you or answer your calls. You understand? Sometimes don't force things. God knows. You understand? You have to leave him and move on with your life. Some of the women they kill themselves because they have been damned by a man. No, don't, guys, don't do that. Don't kill yourself because a man damns you. No, you have to live. You have to move on with your life. You understand?